students, welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today we are going to cover NCERT solution for class 7 Social Science chapter 6, that is Towns, Traders and Craftspersons. So before we begin this exercise, let's discuss a bit about the chapter first. The perennial river Kaveri flows near Thanjavur, which is a beautiful town. Thanjavur is the capital of Cholas. Thanjavur is also an example of temple town. Temple towns represent a very important pattern of urbanization, the process by which cities developed. Temples were often central to economy and society. Rulers built temples to demonstrate their devotion to various deities. So, this was just a brief about things covered in the chapter. Now, let's quickly move on to back exercise questions. So, let's start with our first question, that is fill in the blanks. First, the Raja Rajeshwara temple was built in dash. The answer is 1010 AD. B. Ajmer is associated with the Sufi saint dash Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. C. Hampi was the capital of dash empire. The answer is Vijayanagara. D. The Dutch established the settlement at dash in Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Masulipatam. Moving to our next question. Question 2, that says state whether it's true or false. First, we know the name of the architect of Raja Rajeshwara temple from an inscription. The answer is true. B. Merchants prefer to travel individually rather than in caravans. The answer is false. C. Kabul was a major central for trade in elephants. The statement, the answer is false. D. Surat was an important trading port on the Bay of Bengal. The statement is false. Coming to our next question, question 3, which says, how was water supplied to the city of Thanjavur? The answer is from tanks and wells, water was supplied to the city of Thanjavur. Our next question, that is question 4, which says, who lived in the black towns in cities such as Madras? The answer is merchants, artisans lived in the black towns in the cities such as Madras. Our next question is question 5, that says, why do you think towns grew around temples? The answer is, towns grew around temples because of the following reasons. First, temples were central to economy and society. Second, temple authorities used their wealth to finance trade and banking. Third, also the large number of pilgrims provided ample opportunities for traders and artisans to conduct business. Next question is question 6, which says, how important were craftspersons for the building and maintenance of temples? The answer is, craftspersons played an important role in the building and adorning of temple with gold, silver, alloy work, textile and wood products. They also catered to the needs of pilgrims, thereby forming an important part of the ongoing trade. Coming to question 7, which says, why did people from distant land visit Surat? The answer is, Surat was the gateway of trade with West Asia, and it was also famous for its zari textile, which had a huge market in West Asia, Africa and Europe. This is why people from distant lands visit Surat. Moving towards our last question, that is question 8, that says, in what ways the crafts production in cities like Calcutta different from that in the cities like Thanjavur? The answer is, craft production in cities were different because, first, in Calcutta, craft production was formally organized and planned by the European companies. Second, in Thanjavur, the craft production was organized and planned on the needs of the temple and the pilgrims. So, this is all from this chapter, Towns, Traders and Craftsperson. In case if you have any doubts related to questions discussed, feel free to get back to us by writing in the comment section below. And for other academic support, keep browsing aglasem.com. And yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to receive instant notification from other similar videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.